Hello everybody, welcome back to the Tope'S channel. This morning we are gonna open or unbox the video micro compact on camera microphone from Rode. A little bit excited as we're moving on into the channel. We are acquiring more equipment for the cameras. So this is going to be part of it. So let's open this without any further delay, and yeah, let's see what's in the box. Following on from my rant yesterday about this product here, which was the so-called handlebar jaws mount. Is actually not for a motorcycle or a bicycle. It's just to mount it whatever, just to get some stability or maybe some height. So apologize for that information. I was under the impression it was for the motorcycle, and if you do mount it on, it's not stable and you're not going to get a good kind of a feel on it. Anyway, let's have a look what's inside here. So this is from Rode. That little packing, and then box. I think there is some instructions here to register. Right, you need to register the product. That's the card. Salt and pepper. So that's the mic. Pretty pro, eh? Cable. This comes with a 3.5 jack. So the idea is that you could link it onto your DSLR cameras. If you are using GoPro or an action camera, you are going to be you will have to actually get an adapter. So that's the mic itself, tiny little one with a little nice cover, dust cover I think it's called, and also for sound muffle. Put that aside, put that away there. Cheers. A little bit of black coffee in the morning. So 3.5 jack. This apparently goes on the camera. So let's try it out on the Nikon D700 and see how it goes. So the jack should basically go in somewhere here. Okay, so it's here. There's a jack there, so we put that in there. Remove this. It's quite simple, but very, very simple to just wonder how the quality is going to be. Right, so you kind of slide it in. And you tighten it down like that. Yep, it's a bit floppy. Maybe I'm putting it wrong. And then the jack into the back. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, there you have it. So let's try it out now. Let's put the camera on and check it. This is not the highest of the model. This is for beginners or anybody who's getting into vlogging or needs more better quality sound from the cameras. This is a good way to start. It's not very expensive and it does the job. I'll be doing a kind of interview with this microphone today, and I shall give you the review on how it actually sounds. Let's put that on. Put it on the AV and record. Don't forget to remove the cap. Hello test, hello test, hello test, hello test. So it has improved. We will only know once we put this on proper audio. So I will let you know. I will let you know how it goes with the interview, and it's Rode. I mean, Rode is a good product, and it's well known. It's very popular. I mean, prices start, from $100, and it goes really to thousands of dollars, depending on what your applications are going to be. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and please do not forget to subscribe to the Tope'S channel. We really appreciate the people who are working on behind the scenes, and also not forgetting the subscribers. We are going to get more and more content coming to the channel, so please subscribe, and have a great day. Until then, peace.